you guys are not going to believe the video that I have for you guys today. Things are a little bit different than I expected with a certain unboxing. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, you should definitely do that because I love just like all things fashion and luxury and just all the good things in life. Except good food. I love McDonald's. Anyway, moving on. So I have been wanting a green purse for quite some time. I have the little Jacquemus Le Chiquito, and I finally decided on which green purse I wanted. It was impossible to find the Bottega Veneta. Am I saying that right? Probably wrong. I don't know, I'm American. The Bottega Veneta Mini Jodie and the color parakeet, and I was just like sold on that purse. I was like, yep, I've been convinced. Hailey Bieber, you did your job. I couldn't find it anywhere. It was sold out literally everywhere, so I was like, I'll go on eBay. And one of the questions that I get asked the most, how do I purchase something from eBay and not get scammed? Here we go. So I found a Bottega Veneta bag on eBay for $1,500. It retails, I think, for $7.90. Very expensive, but the thing I always do whenever I purchase from eBay is I read the reviews and I buy it on PayPal, and never PayPal friends and family because that's not protected. All purchases are protected. If you're not buying what you think you're buying on PayPal and it comes in the mail and it's not what you expect it to be, you get your money back. I bought it through PayPal and my bag came in the mail on Saturday before I went to the bars with my friends. Let me get it. This is the box that it came in, and it's just an Amazon box, and it came with a Farfetch envelope, and when I got inside that they paid $1,300 for this bag. That's not how much it retails for, but okay. So first off, I was like, that's very strange. I pull it out and here is the dust bag, and I think that's pretty much all that it came with. And here was the purse, and I noticed right away that it had this thing from the luxury box, which is the seller, and it said, please note, returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. And I was like, that's weird. I really wanted to use it, but obviously I was going out with my friends, and so I was like, I'm going to authenticate this because I know nothing about Bottega Veneta, and I would say like 90% of the time I get my bags authenticated if I buy them from eBay. Sometimes it's just not worth it, but I decided to do it with this one, and I went to this website, I forget what it was called, and I bought it from like there, and I did the rush turnaround, the hour turnaround, so it was like $60, which is kind of steep, but I needed it to get done. And they ask for more pictures. That right there is sketchy to me. And the thing is I've always known Bottega Veneta to be really good quality. It's what every YouTuber who has a Bottega bag says about them. And if you look real close, this seam is very, very deep. Do you see that? And also, what's up with that? You know, like the leather just like wasn't doing it for me. I was like, this is suspicious, but like I just want to make sure it's real. And then this is what was inside Bottega Veneta little tag. So like I said, I know nothing about these bags. I was like, this looks legit to me, but I can't believe it's not as good quality as I expected. They come back and it says counterfeit. Counterfeit. Whew. So, moral of the story, always get your bags authenticated, and always buy with PayPal. I should have like read more into the seller. The seller was like a 93.5% happy rate. I filed an appeal with PayPal. I'm getting my money back, thank God. Do not buy from the luxury box. I can't believe it, but the best part is a few days later, Bottega Veneta restocked the bag. Oh my God. Are you guys ready for this? This is going to blow your mind. This is a Bottega Veneta, and this is the fake one. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but the color difference is insane. It's kind of showing it like more bright over here. That's very true. I gasped when I opened this bag because I was expecting the color to be like this. And this is what I got. This is incredible. Obviously, I love green, hence my nails. Okay, pop off, Bottega. So let's look. This is the dust bag I was sent. This is the dust bag that came with the Bottega. This one's brighter. This one's smaller. This one's bigger. The best part is when Bottega released this color again, they made the zipper gold. I think before it was silver for previous seasons, but obviously I wear a lot of gold jewelry, so I was thrilled beyond belief to have a gold zipper. Inside there is it says Bottega Veneta made in Italy. Ooh, I'm so excited. This one does say that as well, but this one's like almost bolder. I don't know. The smell is so good. I can't get over the difference between these two bags. Like, that is insane. And their sizes are even different. I can't wait to send this into PayPal. Even the thing that I noticed, oh, I'll show you the bottom. So you see how like little the stitching is in the crease compared to this one? And then also the leather just seems very cheap. Like you're cutting like a piece of felt. This bag is so good. Oh my god, I literally am dying. I'm so happy though that like they were able to restock, because this is gonna sound so petty. This is my birthday present to myself. This is, like, for my birthday I bought this bag, and obviously I'm a huge bag addict, but I wanted this for Miami and I didn't think I'd be able to find it in time for a reasonable price. I really didn't want to pay, you know, the price that is on Bottega, but sometimes you have to. I had a lot of missed opportunities to buy this on Farfetch, and I like recently missed that opportunity. It was in my bag and I waited too long and it's sold. I ended up getting it from Bottega and I'm so glad I did that, because I finally got the gold hardware, which, I mean, it's so stupid because it's so tiny, but I mean, when you're paying that much money, you might as well get what you want, and it just worked out amazingly. So I'm so excited about this, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on this drama. Obviously, like I said, bought it through PayPal and eBay, so it's going to get resolved. It always does. I've actually purchased a fake bag on eBay before. This is before I was like really in the know when it came to designer bags, and it was a fake Gucci bag, and the color of the gold on the Gucci was like very cheap, and I was like, this isn't it. So I got it authenticated, got my money back so quick. I think you have to send back the item, but yeah. Moral of this story: always get your stuff authenticated. Always read the reviews. Don't be a dumb bitch like me, because I didn't for once, and that clearly backfired in my face. Always purchase through PayPal. Never do like friends and family, because they're gonna tell you that they don't get like 10% of it. That's a scam. Don't fall for that one. I know there's going to be a lot of comments being of people who probably had problems with PayPal, but I feel like as long as you pay the money to get it authenticated, you should be good. Read the reviews. A lot of the Japanese sellers are very reliable. This one was unfortunately from, I think, New York, so that sucks for me. I will put some of my favorite Japanese sellers in the description box, because I know that's a question I get asked a lot. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that is my video. You guys, I'm so excited about this. I'm buzzing. This is me. This color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you stick around by subscribing. Check out my reel of the ASMR unboxing of this bag, and until next time, I will talk to you all later. Bye!